Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. The goal of this video is to teach every measure by itself, so that way if you're having a problem with something, you can just jump to that measure and get help. Let's dive right in. Measure 1. What I like to do is I like to take away all the flams and all the rolls and have just the base skeleton system. So let's talk about what that would be. I have 1 tite, 2 tite, 3 tite to 1. If you like to use the 1 en method, you could do that. 1 en, 2 en, 3 en to 1. Whatever your school uses, use that. Okay? I'll go back and forth throughout this whole video. So let's do that a couple times. Ready and go. Try it with your counts. Ready and go. 1 tite, 2 tite, 3 tite to 1. Okay, now I'm going to add the roll. So all I do on beat 3 is I buzz each of the 16th notes. Ready and go. Okay, right now it doesn't sound like a buzz, but when we speed it up, it's going to sound more like a buzz roll. Let's add the flams. Here we go. So my sticking is right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. And go. Alright, good job. If you can't get those flams, practice some flams. Make sure that you have really good flams and you don't have flat flams. How do we prevent that? Keep one hand lower, one hand higher. Drop them at the same time. Okay, measure 2. Let's talk about the bass rhythm. 1, teta, 2, teta, 3, teta, 1. Okay, the other way. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 1. Okay, let's do it. Ready and go. Okay, let's add the buzz on beat 3. Ready and go. And add a flam on beat 2. Right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Ready and go. Again, ready and go. Okay, measure 3, moving along. Let's do just without the flam and buzzes. Ready and go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1. Again and go. 1 T teta, 2 T teta, 3 T teta, 1. Okay, let's add the buzz. Ready and go. And let's add the flam on beat 2. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Ready and go. Again, ready and go. Alright, the next measure, measure 4. We have a quarter note and 2 half notes. I'm pretty much just going to play a bunch of 16ths. 1, 2 T teta, 3 T teta, 1 with a crescendo. Ready and go. 1, 2 T teta, 3 T teta, 1. Now when I crescendo, it is okay to move to the edge of the drum. Bring your stick heights lower. And as you get louder, raise your stick heights and come to the center. You only have 2 beats to do so, so you don't need to wait that long. Let's do it with the buzzes. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1. Now as you get louder, it gets a little bit harder to get some buzzes in there, so you gotta push. Ready and go. Now when we get faster, that's gonna sound better. Okay, so when we get up to speed, it's gonna feel a little bit better. Next measure. We do not play on beat 2. That's a quarter note rest. We also do not play on the downbeat of 3 because we have an 8th note rest. We come in on the te of 3. So let's talk about that skeleton. We have 3 teta 1 because I'm adding the buzzes. I would never go 3 teta 1. That's not enough buzzes in there. 3 teta 1. Ready and try it. Ready and go. 3 teta 1. Okay, just buzz those. 3 teta 1. Ready and go. And 3 teta 1. Okay, let's do that whole measure. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1 tite, 2, 3, teta 1. Ready and go. 1 tite, 2, 3, teta 1. Okay, next measure. We have 1 tite, 2, 3 teta 1. Okay, ready and go. 1 tite, 2, 3 teta 1. Let's add the buzzes. Ready and go. 1 tite, 2, 3 teta 1. Not too bad. Let's go on to the next measure. So we have the same thing, 1 tite. Now we come in on the te of 2. So we're going to make sure we can count all the way to the beat of 1. 1 tite, 2 teta, 3 teta, 1. Ready and go. 1 T take 2 take the 3 T take the 1. Okay, so now let's buzz those. Ready and go. 1 T take 2 take the 3 T take the 1. Again and go. 1 T take 2 take the 3 T take the 1. Okay, good job. Next measure. These next two measures are the same rhythms. We just gotta take crescendo. So let's do those two measures at a time. 1, 2, ready and go. 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take, 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take. And get softer. When we get softer, we lower our stick heights and we go to the edge of the drum. 1, 2, ready and go. 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take, 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take. Okay, next measure. So we don't play on beat 1. We got 1 take to 2. All right, so, and it's quiet, it's piano. Ready and go. And 1 take to 2. Again and go. 1. Ready and go. 1. One more time, go. 1. Okay, so then beat 3, we got 3 T take. Let's put it all together. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1. So you gotta wait for beat 2. Beat 2 is a quarter note, so it gets an entire beat before we play beat 3. Ready and go. 1, take the 2, 3 T take. Again, go. 1, take the 2, 3 T take. Okay, so the next measure we have 1, take the 2, take the 3 T take the 1. And we just buzz beat 3. So let's try it. Ready and go. 1, take the 2, take the 3 T take the 1. Now reminder, we are still piano. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, ready and go. 1, take the 2, take the 3 T take the 1. Okay, so next measure. We have 1 T take, 2 take the 3. So we don't play on the downbeat of 2. 1, 2, ready and go. 1 T take, 2 take the 3. So you wait for beat 2. Ready and go. 1 T take, 2 take the 3. Okay, so the next measure we have 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take, but we crescendo. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready and go. 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take. Now what do we crescendo to? We don't go to forte, we go to mezzo forte. So we don't go as loud as we started the beginning of the piece. 1, 2, start soft and go. 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take. Very good. Let's go on. Okay, so these next three measures, they're probably one of the more trickier ones, so really pay attention. And I'm going to do the skeleton first. So the first one. 1, take to 2, take, 3 T take. So beat 2 is a quarter note, so you got to wait for beat 3. Ready? Here we go. And 1, take to 2, 3 T take. Now we just buzz those. Buzz where you need to buzz. Ready and go. 1, buzz, buzz, tap. Buzz, buzz, tap. Ready and go. 1, take to 2, 3 T take. Again and go. 1, take to 2, 3 T take. Okay, so the next measure we have 1, take to 2, take to 3 T take to. This is just like measure 2 without the flam and without beat 3 buzzing, and we take away beat 1. So we don't play on beat 1. 1, 2, just a skeleton go, and 1, take to 2, take to 3 T take to. Okay, now add the buzz. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1, buzz, buzz, tap, 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 tap. Ready and go. 1, take to 2, take to 3 T take to 1. Again, ready and go. 1, take to 2, take to 3 T take to stop. Okay, so the next measure, we've got 1 T take, 2 take to 3. So we don't play on beat 2. Ready and go. 1 T take, 2 take to 3. Okay, now buzz where you need to buzz. Buzz, buzz, hit, rest, buzz, buzz, tap. Ready and go. 1 T take, 2 take to 3. One more time. Ready and go. 1 T take, 2 take to 3. Okay, so that whole time you should have been mezzo forte. You just got to know when to stop, when to count. If you don't count, you're going to get lost. Okay, so the next measure we have 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take, and then we do get up to forte. And we just buzz the first two of those notes. 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take. Try it. 1, 2 with the buzz and go. 1 T take, 2 T take, 3 T take. Now make sure you're not accenting the last note. You don't want this, because there's no accent there. So you got to make sure that, that hit after the buzz sounds just like the buzz volume. So you got to make sure that that hit is the same volume as the buzz volume. Not because there's no accents. So you got to control that. All right, next measure. Let's do it without the flam. So we got 1, take the 2, take the 3, tay. 3 tay is an accent, so I'm going to raise my stick higher on that beat. Now you can do this two ways. You can go right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. You could also go right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. It's going to be ultimately your director's choice. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, and then you get to choose and talk to your director about what you need to do. So I'm going to go right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, ready, and go. Did you raise your 6 higher on beat 3? Try it again. 2, ready, and go. Again, and go. Okay, so now all we gotta do is add the flam. We're adding a little bitty left hand. Our sticking stays the same though. It does not change. 1, 2, ready, and go. Alright, so keep practicing that. The next measure, take away the flams. Right, left, right, right, left, right, right, right. Same thing. 1, 2, ready, and go. Okay, so add the flam. Still, again, my sticking doesn't change. Just add a little bitty left hand to get that flam. 1, 2, ready, and go. All right, so work on that. Next two measures. If I take away the flam, I just have a whole bunch of 16th notes. Rest and 1, 2, 3, stop. From a piano to forte crescendo. Let's do that. Ready and go, rest. Okay, so now we got to add the flam. This is what makes it a little bit challenging. So if we added the flam, our sticking is this. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Stays the same, but I add a little left hand. My left hand's doing this now. Left, 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 left. Let's do that. That's going to be 1T to 2T to 3T to 1. If you're the other way, 1E, 2E, 3E, 1. Play that. Ready, go. 1T to 2T to 3T to 1. Again, ready, go. Our right hand's just doing this. Just eighth notes. If I play both parts, one on the edge of the rim and the left hand on the drum, this is what it's going to sound like. If I switch it, and then I got to put it together. So it's good to practice both hands separate so that way you understand what's going on. Again, if you're on a drum, put a towel on one half of the drum and then the other half, and then that way you can hear both hands, or you can put your hands on your leg. There's the right hand. There's the left hand. And then you just got to control it. Play a bunch of them piano. Play a bunch of them mezzo piano. A bunch of them mezzo forte, and then forte. So put it on the TV, put your metronome in your ear, and just practice that a whole bunch and get used to how that feels. And then you just got to work on, there's only 5 of those. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need at best to be able to do 5 of them in a row. Okay? So practice that. Here we go. Next measure. We have 1 tite, rest. 3, take to 1. 1 tite, rest, 3, take to 1. Try it with me. Ready and go. 1 tite, rest, 3, take to 1. Now it's got to buzz it. Buzz, buzz, tay, rest, 3, take to 1. All right. Next measure. Same first beat. Buzz, buzz, tay, rest, 3, take to 1. Ready and go. Rest. Again and go. Rest. Okay, next measure, we got buzz, buzz, tay again, but on beat 2, 2, teta, 3, t, teta, 1. 2. Ready and go. Rest. Let's do that one more time. Buzz, buzz, hey, rest. 3, 2, 3, 2, take to 1. Ready and go. Rest. All right, next two measures are a bunch of flams eighth notes. So flams and eighth notes. The only thing is you decrescendo and then you crescendo. So I'm going to do all flams with my right hand because if I practice it without the flam, I would do this. That way it's even. Then I just add that left hand. All right, so try it with the right hand first. 1, 2, right hand eighth notes and go. Make sure you keep count where you're at. You only go to 3. 1, 2, again and go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay, add that left hand. Ready and go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. 2, again and go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. All right, it's not too bad. You just got to work on your decrescendos and crescendos. Next measure, we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Now you can go right, 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 left, right, left, right, or you can go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm gonna go right, left, right, left. So it's almost like a flam tap, but I'm switching my hands. Okay, so let's try it. Ready and go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Ready and go. Okay, next measure is the same thing, so we don't need to do it again. Let's go to the next measure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1. So you can go right, left, or we can go right, right, and then just have a downstroke going in. So flam, rebound, and then down with the flam, and then move to the edge. Let's try that. Flam, flam, 1, 2, ready and go. Again and go. Okay, so practice that, perform with my video, slow it down, and good luck.